do you send emails through Zoho Mail? Then this video is just for you because I'm going to connect Google Sheets with Zoho Mail in such a way that as soon as I will add in the new leads data in my Google Sheets, automatically towards the lead, an email is going to be forwarded just like this that you can see on the screen right now through Zoho Mail. So without wasting any time, let me show you how. I will add in the new leads details in my Google Sheets in front of you. So the name of my lead is best user. For the email, I'll write over here as bestuser@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number. And for the company name, I'll write over here as ABCD Company. Okay. After entering all the details, I will give this automation few seconds, and within few seconds, you will see automatically towards this lead, this email is forwarded successfully. It says grow your digital business. It's for best user. You can see right over here, and this email has been forwarded successfully. So this is how this setup is going to work. You're going to add in your leads details in Google Sheets. Your Google Sheets is directly connected to your Zoho Mail, and the mail will be forwarded instantly. So without wasting any time, let me show you how you can create this amazing setup for your business as well right away using the software Pabbly Connect. I've been using Pabbly Connect for years now to create such amazing automations, that too without facing any errors or problems. I create automations without need of any technical, coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this automations. Stay tuned till the end of this video because I will have a surprise for you somewhere in the middle as well. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing setup. So I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you want to use Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page just like this. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, then don't worry. Simply sign up for free from this button. You will receive 100 free tasks. Using the task, you can create the setup right away, test it out from your end how it is going to work, and then you can purchase a yearly or lifetime plan to get unlimited tasks so that you can create such amazing automations using Pabbly Connect. If you're planning to do that, this is the surprise gift for you. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen, that is ANGYT, will help you to get amazing discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plans of Pabbly Connect. Go ahead, use the code, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. Now I've already signed in and I'm on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create the workflow, go towards this create workflow option. There is this new workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect, that is create using AI. Just give the prompt to AI and the AI will generate you the entire template of workflow. So I'm going to select this step right here. So you can see this is my AI workflow builder. You have to enter the prompt. You have to enter what you exactly want. So what I want, I will write right here. I want to send emails automatically using Google Sheets and Zoho Mail. So this is what I want. So I will send this request towards AI. AI will now ask me to select the events of the applications. In my Google Sheets, as soon as the new data will be added, using Zoho Mail and email should be forwarded. I've selected the events. This is the workflow I want. I will approve and open this workflow right here. As now the template is created, simply build the connections between these applications and your work is done. Now over here, we're going to set up our trigger of Google Sheets where you will receive the webhook URL using which we are going to create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL and open the spreadsheet that you need to connect. Go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons option. You will come to this window where on the search apps bar, you need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and select this application. Install this application inside Google Sheets. Go back after installing and refresh the spreadsheet from here. After that, simply now we have to go back to extensions. You will see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks in which select the option of initial setup. Now you will see the dialog box of initial setup is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL, I will paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and the trigger column is the final data column on which of the data is added. The whole of that row data will be forwarded towards the webhook URL. My trigger column, that's the final data column, is column D. So I will write over here as column D because as soon as I will add in the data in this column, the entire row's data will be forwarded towards this URL. I will submit it from here which says setup configured successfully. Go back, one last step is left, that is go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on this option of send on event. It is mandatory to click on send on event because as soon as the new data will be added in this Google Sheets is instantly going to share that data to Pabbly Connect using this action. Okay, So now the setup between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect has been done. Go back to the trigger and click on this recapture button right over here. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether the connection is successfully done or not, what I will do is I will enter the details right over here, dummy details, and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of my lead that I'm entering in my Google Sheets or not. Okay, for the name I've written demo user, email I've written demo user @pabblytunes.com. For the phone number I will enter a dummy phone number, and for the company name I'll write over here as new company. Okay, after adding all the details, let me go back to my trigger. You will see in front of you within few seconds the response from my Google Sheets is going to be captured in my trigger. It will take few seconds for the response to arrive, so you might have to wait right here. Okay, and you can see in front of you the response is captured. Name is demo user, company name is new company, email address is demo user @pabblytunes.com with this phone number. So as now the response has been captured, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now after that, as we have captured the response of our leads data, let's send an email towards this lead using Zoho Mail. For that, open this action step, click on this connect button, go towards this add new connection option and click on this connect with Zoho Mail button. Now we have to enter the domain of our Zoho Mail account. Log into your Zoho Mail account, go towards the URL next to mail. This is the domain of your account. Copy it from here, paste it down in the fields. Zoho.in is my domain. These can be your domain. You can see the examples. Okay, click on the save button. Now it is going to ask for the permission of the account, for which click on this allow button and accept button, as this is a safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After that, we have to select the account ID. So my account ID is in the name of Zoho Mail, so I will select that account ID from here. Now it is asking for to whom you want to send this email to. I want to send this email to the lead that I have added in my Google Sheets. So for the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you want to map the data, add a slash and previous step is going to appear, where you can see this is the email address to whom I want to send the email to. I'll select the data of this email address from my previous response. Now, as I've selected this data from my previous response, this data is mapped as well as dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. I do not require CC and the BC, so I'll skip the part. From name, my business name is Digital Dynamics. So I will write over here as Team Digital Dynamics. Okay, next it is asking for the from email, so I'm going to write the from email with the help of which the email will be forwarded. So let me enter my from email right here. So this is my from email that I've entered. Now I have to enter the subject and the body of my email. I am writing this body in HTML content, so for the content type I will select over here as HTML. Now simply I will write the subject in the body of my email. So my subject is grow your business with digital dynamics, and this is the email that I've entered that I exactly wanted. Okay, now after that it is asking for the ask recipient, which I do not want, so I'll skip the part and simply click on the save and send test request button right over here. As soon as I'm going to click on the save and send test request button, I've received this response where the description is success. That's a positive response. And if I'm going to open my Gmail account, I'll go back, I'll refresh this page. You will see that I will receive the email. So let me refresh first, and as I've refreshed the page, you can see right over here I have received this new email of grow your business with digital dynamics for demo user, you can see, and this is the same exact email that I wanted to share. So as I've received the email successfully, this means that Google Sheets is now connected to Zoho Mail. Now whenever you will add in your leads data in your Google Sheets, automatically and instantly towards that lead, an email will be forwarded using this setup from Zoho Mail. Okay, if you need this template for free to use, you can check out the workflow link in the description section. Do use the code while checking out, that is ANGYT, to get instant and amazing discounts on the yearly and lifetime deals. The code is in the description section as well. If you have questions or doubts related to this workflow, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.